need to do that bit again. From the top? Yes. Very top? Yes. Hi guys, I'm Millie and you are watching Grazia's Cocktails in Couture. Today I am going to show you how to make the perfect Dirty Martini. This is literally my go-to drink all the time. It is my absolute number one, so you're in very good hands. That is glacially smooth. You need to check out their new Altius. But today we are going to be making it with the original. Before we get started on anything, I've got to chill my glass. Those feathers created a solar eclipse on my face just then. She's just going to sit there and chill, literally. And I am going to start whipping this up in here. Okay, we are going to start with 60 ml of Grey Goose in the little measuring cup. Measuring cup? Cup? Is that a cup? Measuring shot? We love to hear it. We love a resourceful queen. Now I am going to go in with my vermouth. I've just turned that upside down and got the remnants of the Grey Goose on my hand, so just bear with me 1 minute. These poor feathers. Okay, I don't like my martinis to be too vermouthy. I think it makes it taste a little bit too winey, so I'm going to be very sparing with my pouring here. 10 mLs, about a third of that. Now this is the bit where I need to control myself because I can go a bit OTT on the olive brine, but depending on how dirty you like your martini, you can amp it up or not. I'm going to aim for about 10 ml of olive brine, but if I go a little bit over, I won't be mad about it. This is a workout getting this ice out, you know. Now we stir. We are not going to shake our martini today because we are not James Bond. It also can dilute your cocktail a little bit, so we are going to make sure that we stir this. I feel like I've just got really good at stirring. That was a really good stir. How much ice do you go through? As a bartender, it's loads. I might go into the ice business. Seems very lucrative. Now we strain. She's looking good. Okay, now we're going to get fancy with our garnish. Garnish sounds like it's just for display. Ideally every garnish should be edible, so that is what this is. This is a skill, you know. Okay, we've got 3 gorgy little pimento olives. In they go. I mean, have you ever seen a more beautiful thing? Right guys, here is the finished Dirty Martini. I just don't know why you would drink anything else ever. This is just so great. Now you know how to make the perfect Dirty Martini. I know what you're all going to be doing this weekend. I'll join you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our video, and we will see you again next time. Cut. Oh, that's great. I'm so annoyed it's the morning.